Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government starts paying salaries of some major departments from contingency funds since January. State Treasury in doldrums. Prudent Exclusive. State government did delimitation process in hurry. Stakeholders did not get chance to raise grievances. State Election Commission tells High Court. "32 candidates file nomination for ZP polls till Monday. MGP declares 8 candidates. High-octane contest for Latumbarse seat. Nominations till 4th March. Government's digital ration card project on hold. Decision on point of system machines yet to come. Civil Supplies Department to launch beneficiary identification drive. And Parrikar features in 100 most powerful Indians. Indian Express list places Parrikar on 23rd position above Adani, Birlas, Tatas and Anil Ambani. Now the news in detail. Parrikar government is using contingency funds to disburse salaries of major government departments. Government has messed up with budget management and expenditure. Education department and higher education receive salaries and grants from the contingency fund at present. These departments receive their January salary on 20th. Government disburses overestimated amount to fire, health, education, GMC, forest, power, North Goa Collectorate, river navigation and sessions court from these contingency funds. Prudent Exclusive.
Parrikar government has messed up with the revenue and expenditure mathematics. Government had anticipated a budgetary shortfall and had raised contingency fund from 30 crores to 230 crores. Contingency funds never crossed 30 crore mark in last decade. There are total 83 departments. Out of these, 65% employees are employed in 11 major departments. Government is currently paying monthly salaries to these 65% employees from contingency fund. Have a look at the present situation. Education department, forest, power, health, GMC, higher education, fire, craftsman training, North Goa Collectorate, river navigation, district North Sessions Court. All these departments have been paid salaries for over 30 crores from contingency fund. 30 crores 63 lakhs disbursed from contingency fund as salary. This doesn't end here. Education and higher education department grants comes to 42 crores and 12 crores per month respectively. Higher education department's January salary was disbursed on 20th, that too from contingency fund. Government's commercial tax revenue projection has gone haywire by almost 10%, which comes to almost 200 crores. Increasing contingency funds only depicts government's casual approach towards fiscal prudence. Number of government servants has gone beyond control. This situation can lead to government going for supplementary demands of non-planned expenditure and salaries of some of the departments. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Goa State Election Commission in its affidavit filed before the High Court has contended that state government has taken decision related with delimitation and reservation in ZP election in hurry. The commission has pointed that the hurry resulted in stakeholders not getting a chance to raise grievances. Goa State Election Commission has contended that Goa government should make necessary amendments in the Panchayat Raj Act, empowering the commission to take decision on reservations on Panchayat level.
Goa State Election Commission in its affidavit filed before the High Court has contended that the whole process of delimitation has been done in a short period without allowing stakeholders to raise their grievances.
Now, once a delimitation is done at the last moment, people do not get any opportunity to go and challenge it before any authorities.
State Election Commission in its affidavit filed before the High Court has opposed any stay but has pleaded to decide about the contentions raised by the petitioners. GSEC has also contended that many other state election commissions have power to reserve the seats for SC and ST. GSEC has further pleaded to the court to direct the Goa government to make necessary amendments in the Panchayat Raj Act on the same line.
The specific issues that have been raised here is pertaining to the reservation order, and reservation order in certain other states is being issued. Such orders are being issued by the State Election Commission. Now, according to us also, Panchayat Raj Act requires an amendment to bring it in consonance with the central enactment.
अखिल गोमंतक संत रोहिदास समाज, अखिल गोमंतक मांग हितवर्धन मंडल, गोमंतक मेहतार समाज and Sakaram Vishram Kurgaonkar are before the High Court demanding reservation for scheduled caste in Zilla Panchayat elections. State government will file its reply on next date of hearing, that is 9th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
32 candidates file nominations for Zilla Panchayat poll by Monday, the first day of filing nominations. MGP has declared its candidates. They are amused as Usgaon and Sankwal, which were never demanded, have been given to them by the BJP. BJP candidate Shilpa Deu Naik and MLA Naresh Sawal's candidate Sanjay Shetye filed nominations for Latumbarse seat.
27 candidates filed nomination for Zilla Panchayat poll on Monday. 15 candidates filed for North Goa ZP, while 12 candidates filed nomination for South Goa ZP on Monday. On Sunday, single candidate filed from North, while 4 for South. Altogether, 32 candidates have filed their nomination for Zilla Panchayat polls by Monday. MGP declared its 8 candidates out of 9 for ZP polls, out of which 4 are women. Diksha Kavadekar from Santa Cruz, Sandeep Velnekar from Chimbal, Shivdas Gowde for Prioveling, Babita Gaokar for Betki Khandola, Aparna Naik for Sakwal, Vithoba Vedi for Barse, Mohan Verekar for Kurti Khanepar, and Chitra Fatte for Kaule. Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar claimed that BJP has given them 2 extra seats which were never on the cards of MGP. Sakwal and Usgaon Ganje have fallen in the lap of MGP. MGP was eyeing for Morji, but since it has been restructured as Mandre, they left it for the BJP as it is in the Chief Minister's domain.
पण साकवाळ ही पंचायत आमच्या हातूंत नाशिल्ली, पूण साकवाळ आमकां हातूंत गेल्ली आसा. अश्यो खुबश्यो गोश्टी जाल्ल्यो आसा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुर्टी खांडेपार वेगळो आशिल्लो पयलीं, उजगांव आशिल्ली. आज ह्या फावटी उजगांव आमकां एक्स्ट्रा मेळ्ळ्या. आमचें एकूच नुकसान जालां आनी तें म्हणजे आमचो जो श्रीधर मांद्रेकर आसा, जो एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी मेंबर आसा, ताची बायल आनी तो स्वता त्या ज्या जिल्ला पंचायतींत सदांच निवडून येता तो मात्र आमकां मेळूना. ती एक आमकां खंत आसा, अजून खंत आसा. म्हणजे प्रत्येकाच्या आमच्या एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी मेंबरां आनी एमजीपीच्या मनांत ती एक खंत आमची उरली.
When questioned on the third front emerging in Goa, Dhavlikar said he will comment at the right time.
At this stage, talking on third political front is not correct, because जर तर एका पॉलिटिक्सान वचून आसता तेन्ना टायम येता पळय तेन्ना पॉलिटिक्साक म्हत्व आसता.
Meanwhile, Latumbarse seat is facing political heat as MLA Naresh Sawal's candidate Sanjay Shetye and BJP leaders Shilpa Deu Naik are contesting against each other. Both hail from Menkure village. Sanjay Shetye is MLA Naresh Sawal's candidate, who also hails from Menkure.
नाते जे जोडलेले आसा तेतूंतल्यान म्हाका दिसता म्हजो विजय हो निश्चित जाल्लो आसा. कामां डेव्हलपमेंट हें आसातूच.
आणि लाटुंबार्से मतदारसंघ आमकां सुसंस्कृत आणि सुशासन आणि भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त आणि भयमुक्त लाटुंबार्से मतदारसंघ आमकां करपाक जाय.
हो कॅन्डिडेट जिखून आमकां दिवचलेक ह्या भया पासून मुक्त करपाक जाय. फक्त दिवचलेकच न्हय, ह्या लोकां पासून सबंद गोंयांक मुक्त करपाक जाय.
For Palye, BJP candidate Manisha Gao, supported by local MLA Pramod Sawant. Filing of nominations has begun from 20th February and will go on till 4th March. 5th will be scrutiny and 7th March is the day for withdrawal. Polling will be held on 18th March. Counting will be held on 19th and 20th March. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government's project of digitalization of ration cards is on hold. Government is yet to decide upon the point of system machines. State has to provide 501 POS machines to the ration shop distributors to make the digital ration cards usable. Civil Supplies Department has decided to organize a camp to identify the beneficiaries in every taluka. After identification, department will issue temporary ration card to each card holder. Identification process will begin by end of March. Civil Supplies Department will organize the camps to scrutinize the ration cards in every taluka. The department has a tie-up with the Goa Electronic Limited for the project. Sources say none of the ration shops have the point of system machines. These machines are used to swap the digital ration card. Government is silent on the purchase or allotment of POS machines to the ration distributors. The machine cost about 20 to 22,000 rupees. However, due to poor network in remote areas, this machine will face difficulty in storing the data. Hence, department is hesitant to issue digitalized ration cards and the process is on hold. Department would ask the ration card holder to produce documents like birth certificate, death certificate and marriage certificate. Civil Supplies Department has also asked the list of beneficiaries of schemes like National Food Security, Grah Aadhaar Social Security schemes. Also data from Old Age Helpage India organization, migrant labourers and list of Goa rehabilitation and dam affected people. Department will also record the fingerprints and iris of the ration card holder. Department will cross-check the data during verification at the camp. Similarly, eligible beneficiaries under National Food Security Act will be identified. State has to provide list of the beneficiaries to the central government by 31st March 2015 to receive the quota. Goa government has sanctioned 9 crores for the whole project. Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.